Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 2 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter 2 singular and plural. Okay, so if you have not watched part 1, part 2, part 3, so you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so in that video we have briefly discussed about all the rules. Okay, how to change singular into plural. Okay, so in this video we will start from page number 24. So as we have already discussed the rules like how to change singular into plural, the different rules have been briefly discussed in the previous videos. Okay, so here page number 25, rewrite these sentences changing the underlined nouns into their plurals. Make other changes in the sentences as required. Okay, so I kept a green leaf between two pages of my book. So as you know, when we talk about a singular noun, we use article. But when we discuss about plural nouns, so articles, indefinite articles are removed. So similarly here, here a is used. As here it refers to singular. But when we change this singular into plural, so we remove the article, indefinite articles. Okay. So I kept a. So here a is removed. I kept green leaves. So you have to write here the noun ends with f. So its plural form will be leaves. So I kept green leaves between two pages of my book. Clear? Then second one here, I love the smell of a fresh loaf. So similarly here article will also be removed. So here a indefinite article, and here loaf means bread. Okay, so I love the smell of fresh loaves, loaves. So as here the noun ends with f, so we need to add ves to make it plural. Okay, so I love the smell of fresh loaves. Clear? Then third one here, the elf lives in my garden. So here the noun singular, so the verb is also singular. Okay, but here when the noun will change into plural, the verb will also change its form. Okay, so the elves. Okay, elves. Elves live. Don't write lives here. Okay, the elves live in my garden. Okay, so here two changes will be required here. Okay, else and leaves will change into leaf. Clear? Then next question here, my sister bought a new scarf. Okay, so as here the same article used, indefinite article is used. My sister, okay, my sister bought new, yes, so here the noun ends with f, it will change into plural, ves. Scarves. Okay, ves. Clear? Just you have to remove f and add ves in place of f. Okay. Then next here the thief ran away swiftly. So here thief is singular. You have to change into plural. As the noun ends with f, so we have to remove f and write ves in place of f. The thieves. Okay, the thieves. thieves. Okay, thieves ran away swiftly. Clear? Then next question here, our cow has one calf. Okay, our cow has one calf. So as here one is used, that means it refers to singular. So here first one will be removed, then here cow will be changed and has will also be changed. Okay, our cows, yes, cow change into cows, has change into yes, have, then one will you have to remove one and write our cows have calves. Clear? Our cows have calves. Okay. Then next question here, put your things on the shelf. So here the noun ends with f. So you have to change into plural. That means by adding ves. Okay, put your things on the shelves. Shelves. Clear? Then next year we read about the life of a great woman. Do you know here the life? Yes, as you know, wives. Similarly, here life. Okay, lives. Lives. A will be here removed because we are yes changing the singular into plural, so there is no need to use a. Okay, a will be removed. We read about the lives of great yes women will change into women. Clear? Then next year look at the singular nouns given below. Write their plurals. So here you know first woman. So as you know here the vowel a will change into e. Woman. Okay, woman, woman. Then next year mouse. So you know here mouse will change into yes mice. Louse, yes, similarly lice. Tooth. So you know here two vowel double o will change into double e. Teeth. Then next foot, yes, so here the same rule will be applied. Double you know vowel o will change into double e. Feet, foot, feet. Similarly here goose, so you know here double o, so here double vowel will change into yes double e. Double o will change into double e. Goose, geese. Cactus. Okay, you know cactus can be represent you know cactuses and also cacti, both can be accepted here. Okay, cactuses and you know cacti. Okay, then next are deer. So you know deer, yes, so its plural form will be same, remain same, deer. Kiwi, yes, so you have to just add here s, okay, to make it plural. Calf, as we have already discussed in the previous questions. Okay, calf, calves, just you have to add vs in place of f. Clear? Then next year in these sentences below underline the nouns that are the same in singular and plural. Write s where the noun is used in the singular form and p where the noun is used in the plural form. Okay, so here ba, black sheep. Have you any wool? You know here s, that means you know here sheep is used. First you have to underline. Okay, sheep, singular and plural have same form, so you know here sheep is used for singular, not plural. Then next the farmer has a flock of 20 sheep. Right, you know a flock of 20 sheep, that means we are talking about a collective noun. That means 20 here already written, that means it refer to plural, so you have to write a p. I have a pet fish. You know fish can be used as singular and plural, but here in this sentence you know here already article is used a, so here yes the fish you have to underline, you have to first underline fish and write s, that means singular. This aquarium has a lot of fish. Right, lot of, you know here the word you know lot of, that means plural, so you have to underline fish and write p, that means plural. This is a baby deer. You know here just look at this article a is used, that means singular, so you have to underline deer and write s. There are many deer in the zoo. Right, many here is used, adjective many. Okay, so here you have to underline deer and write p. Okay, many, that means more than one, so here deer is used as a plural. Okay, then next year revision, when we have only one of something, yes, you know it is singular noun, it is a singular noun. When we have more than one of something, it is a plural noun. Clear? Okay, so here this chapter ends. So if you have not watched the previous okay parts, so this is you know part 4. In part 1, part 2, part 3, the remaining portion of these chapters have already been discussed. Okay, so I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.